Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 2nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far and a great Labor Day. Also, hope everybody continues to stay safe. If anybody want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, love to have them. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see we got a cold front standing from up here near St. John's Island, stretching through the Carolinas back into Texas. Got a little area of low pressure developing in Texas. There's that little low pressure system that the National Hurricane Center has been monitoring. It is slowly weakening, so do not expect anything out of this system at this time. So that's good news there. We need to watch this system here in the Caribbean Sea. It's going to be heading toward the Yucatan Peninsula. After that, will it make a run for Mexico, Texas, or curve back to the north and east and affect the portion of the Florida, Alabama, Mississippi region? Something we'll have to figure out in the longer range. But right now, this system only has about a 40% chance of development as of the 2 p.m. advisory. Would not be surprised they may go upgrade it to a 50 or 60% later on. So we'll continue to monitor that. Here's that little tropical wave here moving off the African coast. This system has about a 40% chance of development over the next 7 days and 10% over the next 2 days. So something we're going to have to watch here, but this the tropics are beginning to get very active. So get ready, folks, for a very active weather pattern in the tropics. Alright, let's take a look at your temperatures for your Tuesday. We're going to take a look at it. Okay, these are your daytime high temperatures across the area for your Tuesday. As you can see here, we got 60s and 70s, and even 80s along the Atlantic coast down into the Carolinas. Got 90s also stretching up into portions of Mississippi and Alabama, even down into areas of Florida as well. We got a lot of mid to upper 90s also expected over here in the middle portion of the country. We got a heat wave going on there. And also we have more 70s and 80s going on out west, and also in the triple digits across California and also into Arizona as well, as there's a big heat dome out in this portion of the country. Would not be surprised to see some of this heat may try to slowly build east later on down the road, but right now get ready for a false fall forecast across much of the central and eastern United States. Alright, now let's take a look at the current watches warning advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some frost advisories up here in portion of New Hampshire, down in New York State, and portion of Pennsylvania. Air quality alerts over here in areas of Minnesota and also Montana. We got a lot of red flag warnings been issued for areas of South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, one county in Colorado, Montana. We got more and more portion of Montana. Let me get that straight. More activity, red flag warnings, that is, for you guys in Montana, Idaho, Utah, Nevada, Oregon, and portions of California. Also down in Southern California as well. Also we have heat advisories there in California, Southern California, Southern Nevada, and portion of Arizona. Sets of heat watches there also. Flood advisory, flood watching for effect for portion of Texas. We have some flash flood warnings also there as well, and also in New Mexico. Alright, we got wind advisory for Nevada, also portion of Oregon, Washington State. We also have some small craft advisory, gale warning stretching from Maine to the Georgia coast, and then again from California up to Washington State as well. Alright, here's your tropical weather page here. This is the 2 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. These are the system here. This has a 0% chance. This here has a 0% chance, but there'll be a 40% in this area here, and a 10% here, and then a 40% over here in this area as well. Alright, and here's a look at the severe weather for your Tuesday, as you can see, just a general thunderstorm from Charleston to Florida Keys, back to Corpus Christi, Brownsville, towards Fort Stockton. Also, we have a marginal risk over here from Great Falls down to Casper, Wyoming, down to Salt Lake City. And then the general thunderstorms outlined in that area there. Tornado probability, less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds, 5% in this area here in the brown. And then 5% for large hail as well. Let's take a look at day number 3. Alright, you can see we still have a marginal risk pretty much in the same area from Grand Forks, Minnesota to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, down to Denver, Colorado, Cheyenne and Casper, and also Sheridan, Wyoming, Billings, Montana, and then general thunderstorms elsewhere. The probability will be 5% respectively in these areas for severe weather. Alright, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Monday evening, folks, and a great Labor Day evening too as well. Take care. Enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.